Eyisematheni zithi ke there's a crisis ezikolweni. Thousands and thousands of abantwana born and bred in South Africa, they don't have schools, they don't have placements. This comes after ikolo have been overtaken by a large number, an enormous number of abantwana bama illegal aliens, illegal foreigners, whom just crossed the border, came to South Africa, and then umthetho uthi bane right yokufunda, bane right healthcare, bane right yokuthola placement. Abantwana bethu whom are born here, they are being deprived i-birthright yabo of getting isikolo esiseduze nasekhaya. So now abazali bavuka ekuseni, abanye bavuka ngabo 3, abanye bavuka ngabo 4, bayofola kuma district bafuna ama placements. Abantwana banama placements. Ama placements have been taken by abantwana bama illegal foreigners. They are here, no documentation, but ke umthetho uthi bane right yokuthi bafunde, bane right to placement. Abathatheli mntwana i-placement. This simply means ukuthi wena mangasuka manje uye eZimbabwe nabantwana bakho abayi4 uthola ispace for 4 yabantwana. Abantwana base Zimbabwe born and bred khona bangasitholi. Shuthi ke lokho ku right according to umthetho waseMzansi. Guys, ANC yazonda. Whoever who's voting for ANC nale national government of unity whatever lamasimba wapo, you can't hate country yakho nabantwana bakho ngalendlela ukuthi you guys are still gonna vote for the ANC. Mamela ke i-Department of Education ne-Government of National Unity, ugovernment wethu osithandayo usicabangela usibeka first, ubeka abantu bakhe first, abantu abamvotelile first izukuthi uthini. So lena imithetho coming straight from the Department of Education telling us ukuthi bona abazingeni bona sizozibona thina. Law number 1, the law is clear. Every child in South Africa has the right to education. Every child. It doesn't matter if umama akho nobabakho ama illegal aliens, they come here illegally, it doesn't matter. Every child. Schools may not refuse admission based on nationality or documentation. So you are here in South Africa, it's a free country. Akuna government iniyazenzela vele. So abantwana benu whether amaphepha khona or awekho abethu ukuthi bayethola ibase abazithola, it's fine. Number 2, no child takes another child's place. So foreign learners do not take school places from South African children. Basho kanjalo bona. Shuthi be like i-places abantwana bethu mele thathwe abantu bangaphandle bona bathi abathathanga lutho. Number 3, admission is not immigration control. Schools are places of learning, not border control or whatsoever, which is fair. But mismanagement of border management or border control abangeni bona vele bona they are hired ukuthi bafundisa abantwana whether banamaphepha nationality, it doesn't matter to them. Bese number 4, undocumented learners must be admitted. Lento ukuthi no document, no schools ayisebenzi. Mo South African bazofuna i-ID yakho, bafuna i-ID kababa nomama, bafuna i-proof of res, bafuna wonke lama documents, but mo you foreigner uthatha umntana wakho umuko omnyama nekhanda elikhulu umuse ayongena esikolweni. So abazali abaningi, they have to spend thousands and thousands ekutheni abantwana bafunde. Why? Ikolo zethu, they are being overtaken by ama foreigners. But we can't blame ama foreigners kakhulu. Ugovernment enimfakile. Ugovernment esimfakile okhetho yithi. Guys, if you vote for ANC, wazi ukuthi it's either we are benefited noma uyislima. Then Government of National Unity doesn't serve us. South Africa idinga government, i-president ezofana no Donald Trump. Mina ngizoniphatha ngoba niyabhayiza. Ngiyanibona lapha ndonibhizi ngama-rally we-ANC. Guys, ANC iyasizonda baphila kamnandi bale phezulu, abantwana babo bafunda ezikoleni ezitop, abanye abantwana babo bafunda phesheya, but imithetho yabo le phezulu iaffecta thina la phansi direct. Is affected direct. Abantwana abanama placements, abazali bavuka ekuseni bamile balambile, they've been waiting, there are no placements. Ama foreigner athathe ama placements wabantwana, but bona bathi abazange bawathathe. Kuyimanje ngibone some school that is overtaken by Nigerians. Abantwana bethu by minority baze bafundiswa ama dances wama Nigeria nama language wama Nigeria here in South Africa. But guess what, akuna government. Guys, uma ANC ingabuyela kwi-power ngiyishiya le country. Uma ANC singayiyekela iphinde isigibele phezulu kwamakhanda, angisazi. Guys, votelani i-party ezosibeka first isicabangele isithande ne-well-being yethu. Votelani i-party ezobeka ama-South Africans first. Action SA, March and March, Operation Tutula, those are the parties that we should be thinking about much. Because i-country hambile guys, i-country hambile. Ama-Nigeria la, they are opening ama-political parties wabo la. Usuke uye Nigeria wena. Bese udemand ukuthi ufuna your own land, your own space, udemand. Who are you? But ke ANC, it's fine. Esematheni guys.